All right, boys. You know where we at. You already know. Somewhere I ain't been since the suspension got finished. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Oh, she bunny hops in there, boy. Wait, oh, she's pulling bad. Hold on, what's going on here? All right, she's pulling to the right. Let's get that. Yep, she's pulling to the right. All right, let's get that under control right quick. Nope. True. Yeah, there's a bunch of glass over there, man. Somebody smashed the bottle. Oh my God, she dropped. Oh my God, she jumps like a gazelle. Oh, I see exactly what it is. They need some smushies. You gotta get that oil flowing. Let's get her flowing. I'm telling you, if you don't do this. There we go. Okay, yeah, now she's pulling left. All right. Let's put it back where it used to be. Okay, nice little soft landing. Let's see if I can do this time without destroying my phone. All right, just low speed. Oh my God, that thing is cush, boys. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. I try to tell you, this thing is right. Oh my God, no bottoming out, no nothing. She's just gold. But I'm telling you. Ooh, nice little nosedive. All right, I'm gonna get out here because I don't like this camera angle. I feel like I'm always wrecking. All right, let's get up here. I'm scared I'm gonna wreck this thing, boys. I'll be so daggone heartbroken I wreck this thing. You know how much time I put into this bad boy. God knows, a lot of y'all don't think that's a daggone almost 4-foot jump. Nice little tabletop jump. And it's got good lighting up here. Heck yeah, boy. You do a little bit of drifting. It's slick up here, boys. I mean, it's insanely slick. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, there's some grip right there. Nope, never mind. Why does it keep pulling to the right? I hate this. It's something about this place, boy. All right. Let's see. You want to pull to the right? I'm going to max you out to the left. How about that? No, it's too much. All right, let's see what we can get. Man, that thing is landing good, boys. Oh, no. Ooh. See, that's what I get. I'm staring at the camera instead of the car. No, oh my God. I'm sick of this. All right, let's get a lower seating position. Let's see if we can catch it on the low. Come on, camera. Yeah. I'm not even giving this thing gas. Now it's pulling to the fucking right. Jeez. Oh, excuse my language. Nice. Oh, you suck. Come on. Damn rubber mat. The rubber mat caught up on my mud flap and it yanked the car sideways. There we go. Yeah, little turd. Yeah, I can't do this sitting down. It sucks. Alright. You gotta understand, I don't trust this surface. Once I land up here, there's no braking. She lands so soft and gentle. I love it. And this thing grips so good. Wait, something feels funny. Something's going on here. I don't know what it is. I'm still working out the kinks, boys. Something feels funny though. Huh. What the heck is going on? Something does not feel right with this. Yeah, let's get some jump downs. Let's see how that looks. Oh, God. Hold on. Let's just get a little speed, little clip. Because she's running, boys. Man, what in the world? Look at how bad it... Look, I'm not steering. Ready? Oh, now it went... See? Okay, whatever. You son of a gun. Woo! Man, this thing sounds so smooth. Good God almighty, boy. All right, we done. I gotta figure out what's going on with this daggone my trim, man. I don't know what it is. I swear, I can't figure it out. Look at all this. Man, people, stop being so daggone disrespectful. Stop littering. Clean up your mess. Stop being ignorant, folks. Dang. Good Lord. And there's a church right here, too. Come on, man. Show some respect. Dang. All right, boys. I'm out at 5,000. I had some fun. Just a little something, something. All right, y'all. Peace. God bless.